Refreshing your interior doors with a fresh coat of paint can go a long way. Let's walk through how to paint your interior doors step by step. Before you start, gather all your supplies. Choose the paint and tools based on your door type. There are a couple of ways to paint a door. If you're limited on time and space, you can choose to paint it while it's still hung. But painting an unattached door encourages an even coat without drips or runs. This method makes it easier to move around the door and paint all edges with precision. No matter the door, the prep work up front is key. Follow these important steps before you start painting. Select an interior door paint with durable gloss or semi-gloss sheen for easy cleanup. First, remove the doorknob and take out old hardware. Paint in a well-ventilated space or use a fan to circulate the air. Set up the space with a drop cloth and sawhorses to protect the floor from drippings or debris. Now you're ready to remove the door from the frame with some help. Take out the hinge and hinge pins. Lay the door flat on sawhorses. Clean the door with a degreasing agent to remove any dirt and grime. Fill holes and repair imperfections with spackle. Then lightly sand the surface to help the paint stick. The prep work is done. And now you're ready to paint. Start with the inset panels using a brush. Then paint the face panels working with the grain to ensure a smooth finish. If your door has a center vertical style, paint this next. You may need to blend the brush marks with the recessed areas. After that, start on the horizontal rails working from top to bottom. Finish the remaining vertical stiles. Feather in any brush marks from the rails while the paint is still wet. This helps you avoid lap marks and achieve a smooth finish. If painting both sides, let one side dry fully before flipping to the other side. Here are a few extra takeaways. Use a paint and primer in one to save time. Cover all sides of a wood door to protect it from rotting and cracking. Whether your interior door is flat paneled or detailed, painting them can transform a room no matter the style.